Avocado, yeah.
The open house and urban ag expo held at the South Coast Research and Extension Center attracted families interested in learning about agriculture, water, natural resources, fire prevention, and research programs.
It's a great opportunity for the community to come out and see the research that we do here, our different statewide programs that we have like 4-H and the nutrition programs and the Master Gardeners, and then also to just learn about different ways to manage plants in your own backyard, look out for different pests, and taste citrus and avocados that we grow here at the rec.
Academics from the University of California Agricultural and Natural Resources, UC ANR, presented workshops on new techniques in gardening, home hardening, composting, and agro-tourism.
We think there is some potential for coffee when you couple it with other industries like tourism, ag tourism, kind of create something similar to the wine industry where you do coffee roasting classes, cupping classes, brewing methods, and everything that goes around coffee. And we think that somebody with the right climate, with the dedication and the right approach could make it work.
When you live in a major city, you don't really see places like this. So having this extension exposes you to that aspect of everyday life. You know, you can come with your children and see vegetables come from the ground. Honey comes from bees. So I think it's very important, especially being nearby. We don't have to do everything together, but you know, my son, he wants to check out some plants. My other son wants to see what kind of programs are available within the schools. So I think that's exactly the purpose. Everyone gets to explore.
There were several workshops available at the event, such as fruit preservation, introduction to avocados, and fireproofing your landscape. Additionally, garden tool sharpening demonstrations were held at the booths. Children who visited the youth garden had the opportunity to learn about butterflies and make bracelets, while adults could attend basic composting presentations.
Me enfoqué en ver cómo se hace el abono, los diferentes pasos que lleva y la manera tan fácil que es hacer uno el propio abono.
After a few years of not having an event like this, the open house was a success, attracting over 400 people.
So we have a really diverse community here in Orange County and throughout Southern California, and it's really important that we share all of our resources and all of the research that we do in Spanish and in other languages so that we're reaching those communities and so it's accessible to everyone.
Yo soy maestra de educación especial y algo que tal vez otras personas no notaron, pero a mí me gustó mucho, es que no hay mucho ruido. Entonces, es una manera inclusiva de poder traer a diferentes familias y que todos se puedan entretener y estar contentos. Muchas áreas de estudios científicos se dedican solo a estudiar y mantienen todo cerrado, pero UC ANR abre sus puertas y facilita todo ese conocimiento a la comunidad.